Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing some of my TJ Maxx and my Marshalls finds. I usually don't find a lot at Marshalls, but I had a few exciting things this week, and I feel like as we are leading up to the holidays, the stores are getting a lot more stuff in, so I'm probably going to start doing these weekly again. We'll see. I was doing them like every other, just whenever I have like a decent amount of stuff to share. But I found some pretty shocking things this week in makeup and fragrance and of course skincare, all of the above. Lots of stuff to see, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we saw that Benefit blush palette at Marshalls last week, but they also have these little mini blushes too, which are so adorable. So they did get new blushes in, so we might see even more here, but these are just the mini size. We have Georgia, which is a really pretty light peach. These are for $5.99 each. I think they're normally probably around $15, so not too bad if you want to try them out. I mean, you do get plenty of color. And then they also have Dallas, which is kind of like a bronzer blush hybrid, also very pretty shade. All right, and I also found one full size here. We got the Rockateur, and it's priced at $9.99, so a little bit more than the smaller ones, but honestly it takes a lot to go through a blush, so I feel like that's a pretty good deal. This is a gorgeous shimmery pink one. I always have loved this one, so really cool to see all this Benefit. And we found a cheek palette from them in my last video, and then I'm pretty sure this is new from NARS. I remember seeing the palette in this collection, but I don't think we've seen the cheek duo. So we have the Summer Solstice cheek duo. I guess that's just the shade it is. It says $29.99 for this, and it looks like it has just a regular bronzer, the darker and then a lighter tone. Maybe you could use as highlight as well. That's a really cool find. I feel like I was looking for that when I found the palette, so now it is here. I did see a new Stila palette here too, called the Nobility eyeshadow palette. I have not heard of this one. I'll have to insert a photo for you guys. For $6.99. Their stuff is always so cheap here. Still debating that little blush quad I found last week. I just have so many cream blushes, but they have pretty good eyeshadow palettes if it's like the camo one that they did. Some more Kopari goodies as well. I don't think we've seen yet. This one's probably my favorite, the Tahitian Vanilla Body Wash. This one's going for $8.99. And they also have in their Guava one as well. I cannot wait to see if they come out with some new scents next year, but these are really good body washes. Look what else we have here at Marshalls. We have the KVD Vegan Beauty Epic Kiss lipsticks. These came out last year, so this is a pretty new item, and they're supposed to be a really shiny kind of buttery lipstick formula. I found 4 shades here in the Female Gaze, Madam President, She Defined, and I also found Lolita. I might pick up the Lolita shade. I know that's one of their best sellers because these are very affordable at $5.99, and I know it's a pretty good formula. I just know the brand hasn't been doing the best with, you know, all the constant rebranding and all that. So yeah, I thought that was a pretty good find here. And I did see they had another NARS item here. This is the little Orgasm Duo with their lip balm, which is really popular, and then it looks like a gloss here as well. This is $14.99. Marshalls had a couple nice perfume sets too. I love the packaging on this pink sugar one. Always the classic. It comes with a lotion and the full size perfume, only $29. And this one's always here, but it's always a favorite, the Marc Jacobs Honey. Eventually I should get this, but I still feel like it should be cheaper. I don't know. I know it's a big size. This is $39, so it is pretty affordable as is. It's more of kind of a fresh sweet scent, but I used to love this one. And I used to love DKNY Delicious. They have this little kit here. This smells like a fresh apple scent. It's really pretty. Only $19.99 for this one. It's 1 ounce. This little Viva La Juicy ornament is pretty adorable. I had to share. I know we see this scent here a lot, but this is 0.25 ounces for $6.99. Cute little stocking stuffer. Another really good vanilla perfume. I don't see this one here too much. I know it's pretty affordable usually, but they have the Paris Hilton Gold Rush for only $14.99. I haven't heard of this brand before, but it was very interesting to me. It's called Memoir, I believe, and I think it's supposed to remind you of certain like destinations and stuff, but they looked really nice. So it's a Discovery fragrance palette. It has a Destination Unknown, a Garden Party, the By the Sea, and then the Wish You Were Here. This is going for $19.99. Always have to check out body care. I'm always finding some random stuff like this, but how cute is this? This is a sugar cookie scented body butter. I'm trying to find the brand. Pink Sky. It's new to me. $5.99. Also found a little matching scrub with a scooper in it, which is fun. And then they have it in Candy Crush. That's similar, but this is by Dabney Lee, but I feel like these are like the same thing. I don't know if they're just using the same like brand to formulate scrubs or what. We have been seeing some great hair care lately, and I just found this nice Amika set. I know their products have been trending lately, and they have the Bust Your Brass shampoo conditioner, which I've heard great things about for blonde hair. It's a purple shampoo. And it also comes with a mask here too. This is for $29.99. Let's see what cute mugs they have this week. A cute little, it looks like Frosty the Snowman for $9.99. That's a bit much. They do have some cute Hello Kitty Christmas ones. This was $5.99. And I love this pink Nutcracker one in the back. How pretty is that? Also love this little peppermint pillow. That is adorable for $16.99. I feel like that's gonna sell out pretty fast. We have a really fun kit here from Tarte, which is pretty rare to find here at TJ Maxx, but they have this No Shower Happy Hour set for $24.99. It looks like it has their deodorant. There's a Tarte Guard tinted moisturizer, a dry shampoo, one of their lip paints, and a blush. So I could tell this is one of their older sets since some of those products came out a few years ago. So this is $24.99. I believe it's minis, but it seems like a pretty decent deal. I've never even seen this kit before, so I thought that was a pretty cool find. Another Tarte find here. I did find this older set too. It seems like all the Tarte stuff I find is stuff that was released quite a while ago, but they did have these little lip paint kits with 2 minis for $9.99. I remember when these were all the rage, but I don't see anyone talk about them anymore. The colors are Rose, Tardis, and then I think FOMO for the shades. I'm also seeing here on the shelves a bunch of the, I don't know how you say it, I think it's Lilah brand, but I just saw they announced that they will be closing, and this is a kind of pricey brand that they did have on Sephora for a little bit of time. So yeah, this brand is going to be no longer, so I guess it's all here at TJ Maxx now. But if you wanted some stuff, I'm sure the price is going to be pretty good on this. So we have the Glisten Glow Skin Illuminator. This is for $9.99. We also have here, they're a Glow Face Mist. I'm assuming a mini size here. Set, Refresh, and Hydrate. This is $4.99. Now I'm seeing a bunch of these in the white packaging. This is palettes, it looks like, so I might have to insert pictures for these. I don't want to open them up, but I guess it has a little picture here. So we have the Palette Perfection Eye Quads. This looks really pretty, like very neutral earthy tones. This is Be Envied for $9.99. This is Be Stunning, kind of smoky purples. This is Be Fabulous, more blue and navy tones. Now this is something else. This is the Flawless Finish Foundation. It looks like a powder. It says Be Pure. I'm not sure the shades or where the shade names are or anything like that, but we have that here. And we also have this Virtuous Veil Concealer and Eye Primer as well for $7.99. Found some more KVD here at TJ Maxx now. They have their Lock-It Foundation again. This is again a little bit older. It's been out for a while. I think this does have the updated packaging though, possibly. But this is going for $12.99. This used to be one of my favorite foundations when it first came out. I haven't used it in forever. It's pretty thick, like very full coverage. This is medium warm, and they also have medium neutral. This is also back again. Thought I would share because I've actually been looking for one myself because I need a re-up on the Fix Plus from MAC. This is going for $16.99 for the full size. I see they also have a mini Fix Plus here, so maybe I will get that instead. This is $9.99. I think the other one's going to be your better deal though. They also have this new Lancome item here. This is a Virtuose Precious Cells mascara in Precious Black. I haven't seen this one before. Lancome is always coming out with different mascaras. This is $14.99. From Pacifica, I thought this was kind of interesting. They have this Cherry Bond Cherry Cheek Powder Blush Kit. Have not tried this from them. I'm not usually a huge fan of their makeup products, but I do love their body care. But the shades in here are very pretty. So this is for $7.99. Looks like tons of Milk makeup restocks as well. I don't know if we've seen this little blush in Swerve. It looks like an orange for $9.99. A little much for this, but maybe they changed the size of their products. I know they changed the size of their bronzer. And then they did restock a bunch of their concealer, the Flex Concealer, which is also one of their older formulas now, so that would make sense why it's here. This is $8.99. They have a bunch of shades. And I don't know if we've seen this. Maybe we have the Flex Foundation Stick. I can't remember if that was their original one. They have quite a few of these as well for $9.99. I don't usually go over too many restocks, but it's been a while since we've seen those, so I figured I would mention. I found another L'Occitane little kit here. We saw one in my last video, but this has a bunch of their verbena collection. This is going for $12.99. This is a little mini set with shower gel, lotion, there's a hand cream, and a soap in this one. And then this is a really nice set from Biossance. I've been seeing all their stuff here lately, but this is a nice little gift set that has some of their best sellers. It's called Glow with Gratitude. And there's their vitamin C rose oil, which is probably their #1 selling product. There's squalene and omega repair cream, and also the mini lactic acid night serum. This one is going for $24.99, a really good price. I can't really tell which ones are full size. I feel like maybe these two are minis, maybe this is a full size. Of course I should just read the back, but yeah, the cream is the full size product. They have another cute Glam Glow set this week. This is the Brights Camera Action. It has eye cream and face mask. I feel like the eye cream may be a full size or close to it. It says it's originally $49 and it's here for $19.99. Here's another Glam Glow set with their mini masks here. They have the Bright Mud, the Super Mud, and the Thirst for $12.99. We saw a bunch of full-size Briogeo stuff last week, and they do have this treatment oil as well that I haven't seen from them yet. Here, this is for $12.99. Kind of tempted by this. Let me know if you guys have tried it from them. I also showed you guys the Playa stuff like maybe a month ago or so, and I'm really liking their stuff. I bought like a mini set from them. I'm thinking about buying this leave-in conditioner as well. It's like so cheap, $6.99. I might grab that. Their California Salt Shampoo is also very good for clarifying. Looks like they got even more Steve Madden really cute bags in. This is kind of like a little mini one with the belt strap for $24 in this pale blue. I also think this backpack is kind of cute from them too. It's nude, kind of that quilted design again, very soft and plushy. Very expensive though, $79, but it looks really nice. It has like the chain detail. It feels nice, so I guess maybe it's just more luxe than some of their other stuff. Really think this little Coach bag is adorable. This is $119, and I love the little flower opening there. It's super cute. I know this fragrance is very popular too, and I don't really see it here too often, especially in a full size, but they have the Terry Mugler Alien perfume here, the EDT. I've tried this one. It's not really my fave. I know they make some crazy scents. This is $59, and then I just spotted something shocking, you guys. They actually have the Toy 2 Bubblegum 1.7 ounce. I've always wanted this size. I feel like this isn't the best deal though, because I think the 3 ounce is like $70. This is $54.99. But this smells just like bubblegum. I'm shocked that it is here already. This like sold out on Ulta for such a long time too. So yeah, that's a really, really cool find. I know we found that little mini set with it, but now they have the full size here, you guys. This is crazy. They have some more sets from the Penrose brand, which we saw a bunch of their little minis and some full sizes from them in my last video, but they have this petite perfume palette with a bunch of different ones for $24.99. It includes the Secret Genius, Merry Maker, Pillow Talk Poet, Mystical Misfit, Sun Saint, and Wild Child. So tons of those. And they also have this Wild Child kit that has, I think, a full size of their perfume. It looks like some perfume towelettes as well in this set for $19.99. And a new fragrance here I've never seen before, but I didn't know that Lauren Conrad had a perfume called Loved here. So they have this for only $19.99. Looks like maybe it's a floral scent by the packaging. So here's actually something from Milk that's brand new that we're seeing here. This is kind of crazy. They have the Rise mascara here already that just launched this year. We have been seeing some of their older stuff, but this is kind of cool to see. Only $6.99. I think this is the full size. Let's see, 0.14 ounces. I'll have to double check, but I did try this one out. I wasn't in love with it. It was okay, but I feel like maybe for $6.99 it wouldn't be too bad. Now they do have a ton of Physicians Formula stuff right now. We have a butter blush here in Natural Glow. I do like Physicians Formula stuff, especially at TJ Maxx because it's a lot cheaper. This is $4.99. A bunch of these from Physicians Formula as well. I don't know if this line got discontinued, their natural organic wear, but this is a dewy highlighter. I feel like these got pretty good reviews. And the shade is Honeydew for $4.99. And they also have this dewy highlighter in Dew Frost. These from Physicians Formula are pretty new as well. They came out earlier this year, the Diamond Metallic Liquid Shadows. This is a pretty color for fall. The green It's called Golden Emerald. This is $2.99, really good price. Also found this gorgeous duochrome one in Precious Purple. Let me know if you guys have tried these. They look really good. And this is, I think, restocked for the holidays. Maybe we didn't find this one last time, but we did see this collection from Revolution and Elf. They have a highlighter here for $3.99 in Papa Elf. I found this from Kevin Kwan. I haven't heard from this brand in so long. I don't even know if they're still making stuff. I feel like this is a bit older, but they did have this Kaleidochrome foil trio from them with liquid eyeshadows, it looks like. This is for $9.99. I'm so excited about this find here. They have the Kiehl's Creme de Corpse lotion. This is in pretty much unscented lotion, but it's super hydrating and it's very popular. So very cool to see it here. It just has limited edition packaging. This is $19.99 for 8 ounces. I know the stuff is expensive, but that price still seems a bit high. I'll have to insert the retail price on here. I don't think I've seen this hemp lotion either, the Happy collection. I think this came out earlier this year. It's sweet pineapple and honey melon. I found one of my favorite Pacifica scents, the Silver Moon. It's a yummy vanilla and almond scent. I have it in the perfume, but they have their hair and body mist here as well for only $5.99. Definitely recommend trying this one if you love vanilla. I haven't seen this brand yet, but they have Herbivore in this kit, which also they do sell at Sephora. It's the 3-step ritual for smoother skin. It's originally $50. Let's see, it's going for $39 here. And it comes with their really popular Blue Tansy mask to clarify, the Bakuchiol retinol serum, and a oil, which it looks like, can't really tell, this little sensor is covering everything, but maybe these two are minis, and then this is the full-size product, which is the Blue Tansy mask, I'm pretty sure. This kit is back here again too from Briogeo. I wanted to point it out because it's a really good one. It has their banana and coconut wave spray and also the kind of deluxe sizes of the banana and coconut shampoo and conditioner. The stuff smells amazing. So this is originally $35 and you can get it here for $16, so about half price. These look like the Dolce Vita boots I bought here last year in cream. I'm debating picking up the green. They're so comfortable with the heel. You get height, but it's not painful at all. So I may pick up one of these if I find my size because I love my cream ones so much, and I could maybe wear these a bit more with black, but they have like an olive tint to them. These are $59. So some adorable Sperry's in time for winter here. We should be getting some snow soon here in Iowa. This is $59 as well. I love the pink and cream. So that is it for my finds this week. I feel like I had so many good finds, but I really didn't buy anything. I'm trying to be good since it is the Christmas season. I just really have been trying not to go too crazy, but you never know. I may pick up a couple more things next week because I really do want one of those KVD lipsticks and some of the Lilah B stuff I'm really curious about. Like, I may want to pick up if I do see blushes from them or more lip colors, but some of the stuff they have right now I'm just not super interested in, especially if the brand's kind of going away. I can't really do a whole lot with it on my channel, but that's gonna be it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know your finds down below and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.